If you use the Claude Desktop application, you can now give it direct control over your local terminal and file system. Instead of paying variable per-token API fees for agentic coding tools, you can use a free open-source integration to turn your Claude Pro subscription into an autonomous system administrator. This diagram shows the system architecture we will build. The Model Context Protocol, or MCP, acts as a secure bridge connecting the Claude AI client on the left through the Desktop Commander MCP server out to your native host system. Before we initiate this deployment, you need three things in place: an active Claude Pro subscription, the installed Claude Desktop app, and a Node.js version 18 or higher runtime environment on your machine. By following this specific sequence, you will deploy, securely sandbox, and verify a fully functional local AI agent in under 5 minutes. Let's get started. Step 1 is to open your native terminal application. This is where we will begin the local deployment process. If you are operating on Windows, launch Command Prompt or PowerShell with administrator privileges. If you skip this, your operating system will block the package installation. Next, verify your local Node.js installation. Type node-v and hit Enter. You should see version 18 or higher. Proceeding with an older runtime will cause the system to silently fail later on, because it won't be able to process the modern protocol buffers required by the MCP server. This chart outlines the 6 available deployment methodologies. We are using the npx setup method shown in the top row. We chose this pathway because it gives the AI native access to your host operating system while handling software updates automatically. By confirming these environment variables and selecting the right deployment matrix, you eliminate the most common installation errors before they happen. Now execute the automated setup command using npx. Type npx @wonderwhy-er-desktop commander @latest setup. This command fetches and compiles the latest binary directly from the registry. If you prefer to skip the automated beginner tutorials that populate upon your first successful command, you can append the --no-onboarding flag to the end of that string. Monitor the terminal output. You are looking for a success confirmation message, which indicates the package downloaded properly and injected the necessary configuration into your system. Once you see that confirmation, completely close out of the Claude Desktop application, then restart it. This mandatory restart cycle forces the Claude client to parse the new configuration files. When it boots back up, it will awaken the 26 new operational tools you just installed. Right now, upon this first restart, your AI agent possesses unrestricted read and write access to your entire host operating system. To lock down access, ignore the client Claude Desktop config.json and open the server config at ~desktopcommander/config.json. Inside the JSON, create an allowed directories array. Here, define the absolute folder paths the AI can access. If unlisted, the AI is completely blind to it. Defining these explicit software boundaries is a mandatory defense. It prevents the AI from accidentally modifying system-critical files or experiencing scope creep during complex tasks. Now we run a live test. Open your newly secured Claude Desktop interface. Type this precise verification prompt. Please create a text file named success.txt inside my allowed directory. Be sure to specify the actual path of the folder you just authorized. Claude will read the request, select the appropriate file writing tool from its new toolset, in this case, write file, and execute the payload. Seeing this tool execution block pop up in real time proves your integration works. You have successfully bridged the gap between conversational reasoning and deterministic local action. Finally, let's verify the output. Navigate to your native operating system file explorer. Check the directory you specified. You will see the newly generated text file sitting exactly where your configuration restrictions dictated it should be. One crucial operational caveat: this native node deployment is built for local development. If you are operating in an enterprise or zero-trust environment, you must use the containerized Docker sandbox method instead. That is the only way to guarantee absolute hardware-level isolation. You now command a fully functional, localized AI copilot. From here, you can instruct Claude to autonomously organize your architectures, analyze raw data, and execute complex workflows, all safely under your control.